Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for supporting me. So today I have taken a joint entrance main question based on permutations combinations. In an examination, 5 students have been allotted their seats as per their roll numbers. The number of ways in which none of them students seats on the allotted seat is options are 50, 45, 44 and fourth option is 42. So what we have to find? We have to find that we have to find the ways of or the number of ways arrangement of the elements such that none of the element appear in original position. Or that means same as you are to find the number of D element. So let's recall the formula for D arrangement. So I'll write a very short formula, and on this we can calculate this question or solve this question. For n objects, the number of that is denoted by, this is denoted by opposite of the n factorial, this factorial sign will be the negative, that means left side. So this equals to your n factorial multiplies summation of k equals to 0 to k equals to n minus 1 power k divided by k factorial. So now it's very easy. N equal to 5. So number of ways of dearrangement 5 left factorial equals to 5 factorial multiplies your minus 1 power 0 starting from 0 factorial plus minus 1 power 1 factorial plus minus 1 power 2 factorial minus 1 power 3 factorial plus minus 1 power 4 factorial plus minus 1 power 5 factorial. It closed. Or this is equals to 5 factorial multiplies, this is your 1 by 1, this is 1. Here it will be negative 1 because 0 factorial is 1, you should not forget. This is third term will be 1 by 2 factorial, that is 2. Fourth will be negative, because negative 1 power 3, it will be negative. So it will be negative 1 over 3 factorial is 6, then again plus 1 over 4 factorial is 24, and negative 1 upon is 120. 5 factorial is 120. So this equals to 5 factorial is 120. We have done it. 1 cancel. So it will be 1 by 2 minus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 24 minus 1 by 120. Now what is the LCM of this whole? This is 120. It will be your 60 minus 20 plus 5 minus 1. This 2 will be cancelled. So it is easy calculation. So it will be 40, 44 is the answer. So the answer is 44. Let's see which option is correct. Option 3 is correct. So option 3 is correct. So it will be better to note down this formula so that you can reuse in the future in other questions. Thank you for watching.